are playing
Mansion Tycoon.
Yeah, Mansion Tycoon. And Lebix is there. Look, that's Lebix. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? That's Lebix. Okay, let's start. Ready, set, go.
Speedrun starts now.
I need to go this. I need to do this. I need to do this to get some more money. Okay, we need to do this. Okay, get this, get this, get this money, get this money, get this money. I'm starting now, Lebix. Already got buy. Can I buy some car? No, it's 100,000 money. So I only have 800. Okay, this is okay. Voucher, okay. Couch. You don't have enough money. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So wait, this is 800. Hey, Levix! There's a eggs!
So there are eggs, guys.
I'm gonna get this egg. Another egg! We need to get some egg to get some this.
Yeah, that's the one. You can explain it, guys.
And look! There's an egg hunt! There's a lot of eggs we need to find. But we need cars to find that. So we need...
Don't know, guys, because we're just starting.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys.
I need to buy some cars, but I don't have enough money to buy some of this. I think I'm gonna buy the 100,000 car. I think I'm just gonna ipon some money for now. I'm just gonna emote. Tararat, tararat. Hey, Lebix, you're cheating. No, I'm just joking. There's a parachute. Da 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 dee da. I got ahead of
5%.
I don't know. I only 5.2% because I'm keeping some money to buy some cars so I can get some eggs. So I can get this a lot. I can get this car for the eggs. I think it is for the eggs. Yeah, I need for the eggs. We're gonna get to 280,000 money. I got ahead of the sunroof. I'll be the bedroom. I'm only got one thing on my mind. Alam mo naman lagi ko pag nagalit ka. I got ahead of the sunroof. I'll be the bedroom. I only got one thing on my mind. Okay, guys, let's see. This is a nice base now. The soundtrack, dance, yeah, 100 money. Because I have an aquarium, but there's no fish. Where's the fish? Guys, please subscribe me. I really want it. And if you wanna give me to the please donate, just give me a tip. 865 and chat what you want and give me what you want, Robux. Wait, Levix, what did you hear?
Hello guys, I'm here.
Look, Levix is here now. Bye, bye. Wait. Hi.
I'm just gonna subscribe.
If I have some Robux, I'm just gonna get extra speed.
Yeah, we're good. Still receive our Robux.
I have my pending Robux is 60. And Levix pending Robux is 30. We are 4 for the Robux. And my other account, GG Jorens, I have a lot of Robux there because someone donate me 1K. That's so cool. I wish someone donate me 1K again or 100 million. 100,000. Okay, guys. Look, guys, I'm gonna teleport in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, hello, guys. I teleport here from there and here. I got teleport here. Yay! La, 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 da, dee, da. I got ahead of the sun.
These are that expensive, guys.
Yeah. I only have 4,587 money. We're so expensive. Cannot buy.
I will take some account order. I only have one.
I only have 2. I really need card to find some of that. Guys, this is not it. Guys, I'm just gonna do something. Okay, guys. You've been joined by Lebix. Hey, I did not join you, Lebix.
Cannot buy any characters now, guys. So expensive. 100,000.
What you gonna buy a car? I think I'm gonna buy the. Where's the cars? Oh, right there. I'm gonna buy the 1,200, 1,025 money. La 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 dee, da. I got ahead of the sun. Guys, I'm just gonna find some egg. If I'm gonna wait, I have a lot of money.
I only have 3 eggs.
Hey, how did you get 3? Cannot find some egg. I only have 2. Why? Look, guys. There's 48 eggs we need to find. Wait, is that an egg? Oh, guys, that's an egg. That's my 3rd egg. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Okay na yan, di naman ako batang pasaway. Titig mo lang ikabibitaw. Ano na namin ating samahan? Walang tingin sa akin na batik kanina. Titig mo, ang kanya na. Machinita girl. Machinita girl. I got 3 eggs now.
I have 4 eggs. Now, it will become 5.
Another, I have 4 eggs. And I have 5 eggs. 5th egg. Look, guys, it's an egg in our fridge. And there's the egg there too. A lot of egg. 6 egg. 7. Oh, look, there's under here. Under here. 7th egg. Add 7th egg. And that's 8 egg. Hmm. This is 8 egg. 8 egg. Okay, good.
Now you found the little.
I found 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I almost at 12 to get that money. Look, guys, there's a 7th egg there. At Kuya Prince's house. I'm in Levic's house. I got 9 egg for there. Gonna get 9 egg. Wait,
I only have 8.
this is my 9 egg.
Okay, 9, 8, 2. This is this. 2, 9. Now I can
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end this video. Just wait for part 2 video. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe. Bye!